Hey student, so today we are going to study chapter 2, that is polynomials. And to study this chapter, first we have to know the basic of this chapter. Then after that only we can start the exercise. So first of all, about these polynomials, first you have to know how to identify a polynomial with one variable and two variable. Like example, one variable means that is like 2x plus 5. It is one variable because only x is there. And if it is two variable, then example like 2x plus 3y equals to 0. So x is also there, y is also there. That means this type of equation they are called two variable. This type of equation they are called one variable. So polynomial we will be studying in one variable, not in two variable. Not in one variable we will be studying. Then now, so in this polynomial, so we will study first type of polynomial, that is like monomial. Monomial, the polynomial which has only one term, like example 2x, this is monomial. Or another example 3x, or you can say 5y, or you can say like 10y, anything, but it should be only one term, that is called monomial. Then binomial. Binomial means like example 2x plus 1. It has two terms, that is binomial. Another example like 3x plus 4. So this type of polynomial they are called binomial. This type of polynomial they are called monomial. Again one more, that is trinomial. Trinomial means with three terms. Example 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So it has 1, 2, 3 terms. So this type of polynomial they are called trinomial. Then these are the type of polynomial they are identified in term of term, like 1 term, 2 term, 3 term. Then now again there are another polynomials will be there, that is the polynomial will be divided now in case of power, like example linear polynomial. And quadratics, polynomial and cubic polynomial. So here we will not look about the term, we will see the power. Like example 2x square plus 3x plus 4. So we will be looking this one, and when we will see, now your highest power is 2. That means your polynomial is this one. Then another one we can see now again, another example like 2x cube plus 3x plus 4. Now highest power is 3. Then to identify this polynomial you have to see the cubics. So this is a cubic polynomial. Now remain linear polynomial. So linear means with only one power. So let me write here, that is like example 2x plus 3. So in this polynomial there is no any power. That means it is linear polynomial. If the power is not given, that means there is a power 1. Since it is only 1, they have not given. So this type of polynomial they are called linear polynomial. So after this, now next we are going to study now degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial means it can be any power. Like example 2x cube plus 3x plus 4. This is one example. Another like 2x plus 3 plus 5x square. So in the first case, if your question is what is the degree of this polynomial, then your answer is 3. And in this case, if the question is what is the degree of the polynomial, then the answer is 2. And how to identify is, you will be looking the polynomials, and in all the polynomial you will check the power, and which is the highest one, that will be taken as the degree of the polynomial. Like example, here it is degree 3, here there is 1. So among these two, this is the bigger, so we are taking the degree of the polynomial as 3. So similarly here also, when you see this in this polynomial, so your highest power is 2. That means the degree of this polynomial is 2. So in this way we used to identify the degree of the polynomial. And then now again one more point I want to explain, that is like your question is 2x square. So from this polynomial, now we are trying to name them separately. Means what do we call this one, what do we call this one, and this one. So like this of one, that one we call as power, or we also can call as exponent. And this variable, what is given here, that variable is called base, and this number, that is called coefficient. Then after knowing this one, now we need to know one more point, that is degree of the, that is zeros of the polynomial, and after that we can go to the exercise. And zeros of the polynomial is like this. Now what is the zero of the polynomial? Example, 2x plus 3 means, now what we are going to do is, we are going to calculate the value of this x, that is the zeros of the polynomial. So in your answer we will be calculating like this, that is 2x plus 3. First you will write the question, and then you will use equals 0, because in the question they are zeros of the polynomial. Now what you will do here is, 2x is equals to this 3, you move to the right side, it will become negative. Then again here x will be equals to minus 3 divided by 2. So this is just I am giving you here example of the zeros of the polynomial, how to find the zeros of the polynomial. So after this, now we can go to the exercise. So exercise we will be continuing in the next time.